What else, guys?
No fries for me. Fries.
What, guys, like, say it in a clear manner.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So those of you who are regular viewers know Rajan and know that his test is coming up in a few days time, and when a learner is test ready, what I normally do is put them through real life scenarios such as what we're doing today.
Going through a drive-thru.
Yeah, driving through a drive-through without any help. Yeah, so this is the kind of stuff you'll be doing after you've passed. Yeah, without any help. Yeah.
Yeah.
And to make it more interesting, we've brought along some passengers, as you can see in the back. So let's introduce the passengers. Can you introduce yourself?
Ashan.
Ashan, that's my son.
Hello. Roman.
That's Roman, Rajan's youngest brother. And then we have
Yuvi.
Hello. And he's also Rajan's younger brother, yeah. Right then guys, are we ready?
Yeah.
So we'll go through closest drive-through here. McDonald's. Yeah, is everyone okay with the Mackies today?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is I'll give you the directions to Mackies. Yeah, I'm not going to help you at all when we get there. So what you're going to do is you're going to take ask these three what they want and place the order and collect. Yeah, payment wise, obviously I'll give you my phone when we get to the drive-through to make the payment. Yeah. You ready? Yeah. Any questions? Because like I said, I'm not going to help you when we get there. So you're going to imagine you're on your own, you passed your test, and you brought these three along to the drive-through. Can you handle it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right then, let's get going. Everyone got your belts on?
Yeah.
Can't believe how nice and quiet these three are. Should put the camera on more often, yeah, in front of them. At this roundabout, turn right, third exit. What's so funny? What do you guys think of Rajan's driving so far?
Good.
Bad.
You sound like me. Okay, this roundabout, turn left, first exit.
One-star review.
I've got a feeling as soon as we get at the car and the videos in it, Rad's going to bounce through.
1-star review.
Turn
I haven't
left.
done anything wrong.
Robert wanted to go KFC.
Okay, so the drive-through is to the left. So I'm not going to interfere now, yeah?
Yeah. Because what do you want?
I want some fries with caramel McFlurry.
Are you going up there?
Nah. One sec, sorry. One sec. Guys, what do you lot want?
McFlurry, Smarties.
Can I get one Smarties McFlurry?
I want no fries, no fries, no fries.
Yeah.
No fries.
What else, guys?
No fries for me.
What, guys, like, say it in a clear manner.
McFlurry. One McFlurry.
Oreo.
Can I get an Oreo McFlurry? And Sean, what do you want?
Caramel McFlurry.
And caramel McFlurry, please.
Is that everything?
Yeah, that's it, thanks.
Next thing up.
Cheers. He's changed the orders.
It would have been a good idea to get the order before you
Yeah, I
before you
know.
walked up.
Yeah, I should have done that.
Oh, let's have a Diet Coke. Have a drink.
Roman, I ain't changing. You can go inside.
There's one drink here.
It's too late now for the drink.
Baby, what you want, girl?
Have you got the
yeah.
phone?
Is that
So-
your order on the screen?
There's nothing on there at the moment. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yes, I would have gone over, please.
Just buy a card, please.
Here you go.
Cheers.
Yes, let's go to the next
Thank you.
Keep to the left.
He's taking the knee. I was thinking and I look like such an idiot. Cheers. Thank you.
That'd be nice you getting out the car. Oh, it's good to put these down before you start driving.
What, give them to the guy who just told me to keep left?
Here you go, kiddos.
Thank you.
These Smarties.
Yeah, that's what Oreo.
My braces.
And turn right at the roundabout. And at the roundabout, turn left, first exit.
Got brown freeze.
Not surprised with the pace you're eating that at. And park up anywhere safe on the left. Okay, and switch off the engine. Right then, so that was it. Through the drive-through, how did you find that experience?
Yeah, it's a good experience.
I'm talking
is
to
it?
Raj, yeah.
What did he say?
Never mind. So, yeah. How did you find that?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, you handled that really well.
Yeah.
Obviously, you had three of them in the back giving you the orders. Ideally, you could have taken the orders a little bit earlier, but the way you steered through the drive-through, really good positioning. Yeah.
Yeah.
And even when entering the car park, leaving the car park, good observations.
Yeah.
Okay, really good. So, like I said, this is stuff like this. Like you put the petrol in before as well,
Yeah.
and doing stuff like this. Obviously, I didn't help you out in any way. Yeah, just shows me that everything you picked up in your lessons, you just transfer the skills over,
Yeah.
and it was really good. Any questions?
No.
Okay, guys. So, how did you guys find that?
Good.
Good.
You happy?
Yeah.
Right. So, good all round. So that's it really, guys. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Love you.
Did you just say love you?
Yeah.
Yeah, love you from the little one, guys.